Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to turn your gaming skills into serious crypto profits, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Hamster Kombat Airdrop, your golden ticket to making over $10,000 with the right strategy. So, let's jump right in. First things first, Hamster Kombat is a clicker game on Telegram, very similar to the Notcoin model, but with much bigger earning potential. The developers have confirmed an airdrop on the open network, or TON, and the amount of tokens you receive will depend on the coins you accumulate in-game. In Hamster Kombat, you play as the CEO of a burgeoning cryptocurrency exchange in a world dominated by hamsters. Your mission? Tap on a golden coin to earn in-game currency, then use those coins to upgrade your exchange. Simple, right? But here's where it gets interesting. There are several ways to maximize your earnings, and I'm going to break them down for you. Let's start with the most lucrative method, passive income. One of the key insights from the developer AMA is that your rank influences your airdrop rate, and your rank is tied to your income per hour. So, how do you boost that income? Special cards. Special cards are time-limited but incredibly valuable, giving you a significant boost in passive income. Always be on the lookout for these. Another tip is to collect all cards in the markets, PR and team, and legal sections. Focus on series like license in legal and margin trading in markets for the best results. Next up, combo cards. These are found daily in the mining section. Collecting a complete set can earn you a whopping 5 million coins. The trick is to stay updated through the Hamster Kombat announcements channel, where players often share new combos. Next is daily prize. Don't underestimate the daily prize. It might seem trivial, but it adds up to around 21 million coins a month. This gives you a significant boost, especially at the beginning. So there you have it. Focus on passive income, stay updated on combo cards, refer lots of friends, and don't ignore the daily prize. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your Hamster Kombat earnings and securing that sweet airdrop. Also connect your TON wallet address too for the airdrop allocation at launch. Remember, the key to success in Hamster Kombat is consistent effort and staying informed. Join the game via the link in the description, and don't forget to reload if you encounter any errors while opening the app. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy tapping!